everyone, this is Nancy with Ash's Treasure, homesteading and gardening. I'm still trying to fix that. And this is our update on our stuff. Don't pick it out.
I'm still fixing our flower.
Okay. And we have some little things growing that I have no idea what they are. But we're not going to pick those. I think it was something that I had. Ooh, baby girl, you okay?
I'm okay.
My son got a grill for Father's Day.
Show everybody our grill.
A grill. So, 5 years in the making. He finally got it. And this is really nice. Yes, and we cooked out for Father's Day. He was so happy. Oh, that was so good. The next time we cook on a grill, I'll do a video. But yes, here are our plants here. Like I said, I know this is basil, and I know that's rosemary. This right here, and the others. We're just gonna have fun. Let them come up. This one right here died, so I don't know what that was. And then our other ones over here are growing nice. We got a lot of rain. And I don't know, I think this one is the same. Ooh, we have a spider in there. And then our little glass containers. Whoops. Yeah. I think I'm just going to leave there for show. Because I don't know what's going on with those. But other than that, that is our update for our garden. Waiting for some more rain to come. And we're under a flood warning till Wednesday, Thursday. Somewhere around there. But yeah, cloudy gray skies.
Here.
Somebody wants to... Oh.
Give me that phone.
What do you want to do?
I need to show some. I'm
Hold
going
on.
to show them something.
Okay, now let's be nice. What do you want to show them? No, let Nana hold the phone.
And look, this top is not purple, it's violet.
She's getting to know different colors besides your basic red, blue, purple, green, yellow, and how they all change. So I think that's pretty cool. Alrighty. Well, to everybody, have a wonderful day.
Have a wonderful day.
And thank you for stopping by Ash's Treasure. We hope y'all have a wonderful day. If you haven't, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. And ring that bell for notifications for more videos. And we'll see you next time on Ash's Treasure.